Do you have some of these? And do they sound like this? Well, maybe you need one of these. Let's get into it. All right, so this is everything that comes in the box. And that was the box that I showed you before. Nothing to it, just a box. And they do include a little pouch, which is good. They do have one of these sprays. It does say it's alcohol-free solution. And for the ingredients, it says to visit a website. So anyway, sounds promising. You get one of these brushes, and it is for the needle. And also a brush with a velvety cushioned pad. And it is wood on the back, which is good. Wooden handle. You have a little brush, so you can brush off whatever dust you've collected from the record. And you get these little, I don't know what that is. Okay, so that's a avoid 3 common vinyl care mistakes. So you can scan the barcode and find out what those mistakes are. And you get one of these, which is like a manual, I guess. And it shows you how to use it. So the way you use it is you put a couple of sprays with this solution on here. Play the record, of course. You keep the needle up or off the record, and you just wipe it. As you can see here, it sways from side to side. You can sway it from side to side to get all angles. That's about it for that. And this one is for your needle cleaner, which is this one here. And it says not to go sideways like this, but to go this way on your needle. Oh, sorry, to pull only. Okay, so say your needle's facing downwards, but I'll say sidewards. So you pull this way, outwards, not inwards and not sideways. So if that was pointing downwards, hitting the record, you would clean it this way, which is really good. I've never had one of these. Now let's go over and I'll show you how it's done. So you got your record going here. So you're cleaning the needle. That's how I'm cleaning the needle now, and I found a lot of gunk on that when I first did it. The brush does have like a velvet finish on it. And you can see I'm going one way with the wiping of the record. And you can do all sorts of angles for cleaning the record while it's spinning. You can see the dirt on the actual handle cleaner. And the record now looks really clean. Alright, so that was the cleaning kit from Boundless, and if you require one of these, go down in the description, click on the link and have a little read of it yourselves. And yeah, they're quite good and they're quite cheap, and I do recommend them. So catch you on the next one.